This beautifully updated home in rural Noble County could be your piece of country living paradise. Situated on approximately 18 acres, this home was completely remodeled and offers many additional updates. Acreage, a gorgeous home, a large outbuilding, and a large pond is just scratching the surface on the wonderful details that this property has to offer. Inside the home, you'll immediately notice the immense amount of sunshine and natural light throughout. Beautiful flooring leads through the home into the kitchen, laundry room, and some of the bedrooms. The updated kitchen boasts bright white cabinetry that exudes a cheerful feeling. This space is ready for you to create memories with family and friends, baking, cooking, and sharing meals together. Eat-in dining and breakfast bar provide plenty of seating options to gather. Laundry day will be a breeze utilizing the floating shelves, storage, and utility sink in the laundry room. The 4 bedrooms are each great in size and ready for you to make your own. A notable feature on this floor plan is the main level bedroom and full basement. There's truly so much to see at this amazing property. Call Trey Forbes to get all the details.